I'm Elliot, a product demonstrator for Ruby Tools, and this is the ND7, our electric table tile saw. To finish setting up the ND7, you take your extruded aluminum lateral stop and you set it on top of the machine like this. You then lock it in place using the red lever, like so. You can then take your guide, which sits on top of the lateral stop and is good for diagonal cuts from 0 to 45 degrees, and it slides along the lateral stop so that you can make cuts of different sizes and angles with precision. The ND7 is Ruby's electric table tile saw, and it's used for cutting stoneware and wall tiles, as well as for the occasional cutting of porcelain ceramics. And because it's made with these materials in mind, it's perfect for interior refinishings and home repairs. The machine has a splash guard to prevent ceramic debris and water from getting sprayed into your face, and also it's made of this transparent plastic so that you can always see into the blade and where it's cutting on the ceramic tile. Also, the blade that comes with the machine is the Ruby Arrowhead Pro, which is designed to provide smooth finishes and a longer service life. The ND7 has a direct drive and single-phase motor with a thermal protector here on the underside of the machine. On the other side is the water tank, and the water tank is used to recycle the water that refrigerates the disc. And by recycling the same water, you reduce a lot the amount of cleanup you have at the end of cutting. And also, on the inside of the tank is a max fill line so that you always know exactly how much water you have to use. The machine has these plastic feet with grips on the underside so that it doesn't slip. And now we'll see how the machine works. And now we're going to do a mitering cut, and for mitering cuts, the aluminum table folds at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Now that we have seen how the ND7 works, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to contact us on our website, ruby.com, or on our social media. Until the next video.